The return of a modern icon. The 2026 Kia Seltos stands tall as one of the most important compact SUVs of its generation. Known for its bold design, strong value, and impressive technology, this updated model pushes everything forward with more refinement, better features, and a driving experience built for modern lifestyles. This is not just another crossover. The 2026 Seltos carries purpose. It blends youthful design with mature practicality, making it perfect for city roads, long journeys, and everything in between. Today, we explore every major aspect of the all-new Seltos, from its engine and performance to its cabin, technology, practicality, and overall value. Exterior: a bold design that commands attention. The 2026 Seltos continues Kia's modern design philosophy with sharper lines, stronger proportions, and futuristic lighting signatures. The front fascia creates an instant identity with the signature Kia grille, LED daytime running lights, and star map lighting elements. Its stance is upright, giving it a rugged yet premium road presence rarely seen in this segment. Alloy wheel options in multiple finishes, muscular body contours, and high ground clearance all combine to make the Seltos look poised and capable. From the side, the floating roofline, black window surrounds, sculpted door panels, and clean character lines generate a sense of movement even when standing still. At the rear, LED combination lamps, skid plates, a stylish spoiler, and integrated reflectors complete the athletic, adventure-ready look. This SUV is not just stylish, it feels like a confident companion ready to take on highways, off-road trails, and every urban challenge. Interior: a modern cabin designed for comfort and tech lovers. Step inside the 2026 Seltos and you're welcomed by a cabin that blends practicality, elegance, and technology in a seamless way. The interior design focuses on clarity and comfort. A wide digital instrument cluster, a smartly integrated infotainment screen, and a high-gloss center fascia elevate the cabin's modern feel. Seats are supportive and ergonomically shaped, offering excellent long drive comfort. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and smartly reclined seatbacks, making the Seltos ideal for family travel. Soft touch areas, ambient lighting, chrome accents, and a sophisticated dashboard layout make the cabin feel more premium than its price category. Practicality is also a highlight, with large door pockets, cup holders, a sliding armrest, a dual-level cargo floor, multiple USB ports, and convenient storage compartments. From daily commuting to extended road trips, the Seltos interior is crafted to be a place where comfort meets capability. Performance: balanced power with efficiency and control. Powering the 2026 Seltos is a refined 2.0-liter MPI engine, producing 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque. This engine delivers smooth acceleration, predictable power delivery, and excellent fuel efficiency, ideal for everyday driving. Paired with Kia's intelligent variable transmission, the Seltos provides steady performance whether you're navigating city streets or climbing steep roads. Drivers can switch between normal, sport, and eco modes, tailoring the response to personal preferences. The suspension setup, McPherson struts in front and either a torsion beam or multi-link rear, helps balance comfort with confident handling. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour takes approximately 9.3 seconds for FWD models. AWD versions offer additional grip and stability, making the Seltos feel composed in challenging conditions. Fuel efficiency remains strong, with up to 31 mpg combined on front-wheel drive models and 29 mpg combined in AWD. This is not a performance SUV, but it offers a smooth, capable, and reliable driving character that suits every type of daily use. Safety and driver assistance, advanced protection for every journey.
Kia equips the 2026 Seltos with a wide suite of safety and driver assistance features designed to protect occupants and prevent accidents. Standard features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot collision warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, and driver attention warning. Hill start assist, stability control, downhill brake control, and a high-line tire pressure monitoring system add to the SUV's overall control and confidence. The safety technology works quietly in the background, stepping in only when needed, helping the driver remain focused while enhancing peace of mind. Dimensions and practicality, built for real-world use. The Seltos shines when it comes to usable space. It offers impressive legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making long journeys relaxed and comfortable. Cargo capacity behind the second row stands at 26.6 cubic feet, among the best in this class. Fold the rear seats and the space expands to 62.8 cubic feet, ideal for luggage, groceries, sports gear, or travel equipment. High seating position, wide opening doors, and excellent visibility make daily driving extremely convenient. Whether you're a family, a solo traveler, or someone who loves weekend adventures, the 2026 Seltos adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle. Technology, next-gen features for a connected drive. Technology is one of the strongest areas of the 2026 Seltos. The centerpiece is the 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, smartphone connectivity, voice recognition, and a smooth, modern interface. Multiple USB ports, Bluetooth multi-connection, a high-quality speaker system, and smart key functionality enhance everyday convenience. Automatic climate control with rear air vents keeps the cabin comfortable, while the digital instrument cluster gives drivers clearer information and modern visual appeal. The Seltos combines intuitive controls with advanced functions, making technology easy and enjoyable to use. Pros and cons, the real-world summary. Pros: stylish exterior with a strong road presence, spacious and comfortable interior, great value for money, strong list of safety features, impressive cargo capacity, smooth and efficient performance, modern infotainment and connectivity, available AWD capability. Cons: base engine may feel underpowered for performance-focused drivers. Some interior materials could be more premium. Turbo engine only available in higher trims in some markets.
Now let's talk about one of the most important parts, pricing and trim levels of the 2026 Kia Seltos. Kia continues to offer excellent value across the lineup, giving buyers a wide range of choices depending on their budget and needs. Base models: Seltos LX. The entry-level Seltos LX comes with a 2.0-liter MPI engine paired with an IVT transmission and is available in both FWD and AWD. LX FWD starts at $23,690. LX AWD starts at $24,890. This trim gives you the essentials with solid performance and advanced safety, all at a highly competitive starting price. Mid-range models: Seltos S. Moving up, the Seltos S adds more convenience and style without pushing the price too high. It also features the same 2.0-liter MPI engine with IVT. SFWD starts at $25,390. SAWD starts at $26,890. This trim is ideal for buyers who want a balance between affordability and premium features. Premium comfort: Seltos EX. For buyers wanting more refinement, comfort, and advanced technology, the Seltos EX offers the best value in the lineup.
EX-FWD starts at $26,390. EX-AWD starts at $28,590. This trim unlocks premium interior options and additional package upgrades that enhance the driving experience. Factory-installed options, customization that matters. Kia offers multiple factory packages so buyers can personalize their Seltos. Gentle brown interior package, $0. Available on EX trim with the sunroof package. EX sunroof package, $800. Includes a power sunroof and stylish 17-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Glossy black door garnish, included. Available on S trim, adds extra contrast and visual appeal. SX sunroof package, $800. Includes digital key access, ventilated front seats, and a power sunroof. Two-tone color options, $395 each. Pluton blue with black roof. Clear white with black roof. Final availability depends on trim and package selection. Premium paint colors, $395. Fusion black, snow white pearl. Available across LX, S, and EX trims. Port installed options, added utility and convenience. Crossbars, $400. Carpeted floor mats, $200. Cargo net, $60. Cargo cover, $160. Reversible cargo tray, $140. Auto dimming mirror with home link, $375. First aid kit, $45. Lifestyle hitch, $350. Mud guards, $155. Roadside assistance kit, $75. Wheel locks, $80. Each accessory adds extra value for daily use, adventure, or long-term vehicle care. Destination charge. All 2026 Kia Seltos models include a mandatory destination charge of $1,445, which covers shipping from the port of entry to the dealership. Final verdict, a complete package from modern drivers. The 2026 Kia Seltos blends style, practicality, technology, and safety into a package that punches well above its segment. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a family needing comfort and space, or someone who wants a reliable everyday SUV with modern appeal, the Seltos delivers on every front. It stands as one of the strongest choices in the compact SUV category, offering everything you need for today's fast-paced lifestyle: confidence, capability, and undeniable character.